Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post a resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 basic Java interpretations. Name few design patterns used for designing Java applications. Singleton pattern, factory pattern, abstract factory pattern, proxy pattern, command pattern, and builder pattern. Can a class extend an interface? No. Class can only implement the interface. It cannot extend an interface. But an interface can extend another interface. So please remember, a class can never extend an interface, but it can only implement the interface. Which of the following is tightly bound or tightly coupled? Inheritance or composition? Inheritance has more coupling because subclass knows more information about the base class, whereas composition, it will have the reference of the reference of the object, but it will not know the how portion, how the methods are developed, but it knows the what portion, what are the methods available, but it does not know how. But in the case of inheritance, the child class will come to know more information about the base class. Give an example of generics in Java 5. Generics is used in case of say for example in the collection, what type of the objects that you are going to add during the creation of the collection, you will come to know. If I don't have this string here, this is actually generics example. If you don't have this string here, what will happen is it will not know which are the objects we are going to add, so it will create a problem and it might lead to random exceptions. So in order to avoid that, generics are useful. So we know that this array list will have only string, and map, for example, string is my key and string is my value. How can you make sure that a code segment gets executed even in case of uncatched exception? By putting it in within finally block. A finally block always executed. So you can execute that code segment by putting it in finally block, because finally block always executed only in case of JVM crash or system.exe is called. Finally block will never be executed. Otherwise, finally block always get executed. So in these cases, you can put the code in the finally block. Hope these questions are useful. Thank you and all the best.